What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, actually going to be heading out to a meet with the squad. This one we got invited to, so we're gonna roll. I'm not sure how many is gonna show up, but yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with the homie Javi first, and then we're gonna roll down there together. We're out in Claremont tonight, so yeah, definitely stay tuned. Not gonna do a cold start because the car isn't cold. I actually ran to the store a little while ago, so it's not cold, but yeah. And so this isn't how I usually ride, but I raised the car up to see how bad the scraping was. And of course, at this height it's not scraping, but the stock undershroud is what's been scraping. So a lot of people have been saying, hey, I heard something under your car. But yeah, I'm not driving too low, it's just the undershroud, the stock one, is scraping ever since the accident, because some of the liner that was holding it up is gone. So gonna get that situated here pretty soon. Just got the Z1 aluminum shroud. I didn't get the black one, just went with the regular aluminum one. So that'll be getting installed here pretty soon, because I'm getting tired of hearing that scraping sound. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so just pulling up now. I was about to air out, but I'm like, he's about to come out, and we about to roll out because we still got to get some gas. So it's gonna take me to the E85 spot. Not that I need it yet, but hey, at least I'll find out where it's at for the future. And then we'll roll in together and link up with the homies. Thought I would have time to wash the car, but I could have did the waterless wash, but yeah, it definitely needs it. And no, I don't usually smear the dirt into the paint, but I'm replacing this trunk, and yeah, and I'm gonna be wrapping the whole car because I'm gonna have custom carbon fenders, carbon front bumper, carbon hood, carbon trunk. So yeah, and I don't want to just have the partial exposed carbon area. So but yeah, that's for the future. But yeah, let's go ahead and get ready to roll out. It look like Javi's pretty clean over here, definitely compared to me. Wheels always look clean. I don't think I've seen them dirty yet. But yeah, make sure you follow. Yeah, I guess that's why I never noticed it, because you probably can't even see it on here, but right there is the E and it's off. But yeah, they do have E85 here, and apparently it's supposed to be pretty good here, percentage wise. It says E15 though. But yeah, of course I'm not using that, but pretty dope. Got Javi over here using it. He's going for the higher octane instead of the 15. Let's see, what's the damage we at? Not too bad. And of course, under this lighting, the car looks horrible. Look at that. Definitely need a wash. Alright, so this is kind of an impromptu thing because we just started talking about it today, but pretty good little turnout for last minute.
I was like, I don't know, do what you gotta do. You wanna leave, go, whatever.
Yeah, we got another one. Cisco over there. I'll get him when he come over. All right, got the nice lineup. All right, we made it here.
Yeah, we drove it all the way to
All right, they gonna break out the drone. pretty dope. Made a nice entrance. Sounding great. The Maxima did too, but didn't get that one. Definitely dope. Yeah. Definitely look good. Sound good. I missed the clip, but pretty good. So I'm pulling up over here too. Very clean. Alright, yeah, it's quite a few cars out here. Nice meet.
I got so excited
Alright, yeah, pretty much just chatting it up and chilling here. It's pretty chill vibe, but I'm about to get on out of here. So before we end the video, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.